In the figure given below, PSO is an isosceles triangle with PS equal to SO. Find angle PSQ. The brilliant question. We need to find this angle. Let's call that as X. PSO is an isosceles triangle. PS is equal to SO. So angle opposite PS is this angle. Angle opposite SO is this angle. These two angles should be equal. And if you take triangle PSO separately, PSO, these two are equal. These two angles are equal. Let's say this is equal to this. If these two angles are equal, if we find this angle, we know this angle, and we need to find this. PSO and PSQ are the same angle. SOQ is a straight line. Angle PSQ is another way of saying angle PSO. So if we find this, we are through. And so what do we know? We know this is 35. We know this is 80. This is 80. We can find this angle. What is angle OTQ equal to? Angle OTQ plus angle OTR is 180. OTR is 80, or angle OTQ should be 100 degrees. So we know this is 100. Wonderful. If we know this is 100, this is 35, we can find this angle. And once we find that angle, we are through. How so? These two are vertically opposite angles. So let's go step by step. This is 100. So now let's say angle OQT plus angle OTQ plus angle QOT equal to 180. 35 plus 100 plus angle QOT is 180. Angle QOT is 180 minus 135, which is 45. So this is 45 degrees. That means this should be 45 degrees. Angle QOT equal to angle POS, because they are vertically opposite angles. 45 degrees. If this is 45, this is also 45. We already know that PSO is an isosceles triangle. This is 45. This is 45. So if we take triangle OPS, in this triangle, 45 plus 45 plus angle PSO equals 180. These two add up to 90, or this should be the remaining 90. 90 plus 90 is 180. Angle PSO, which is nothing but angle PSQ, is 90 degrees. Absolutely fabulous question. Angle on a straight line is 180, therefore we get this 100. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180, we get this 45. Opposite angles, vertically opposite angles are equal, we get this 45. Angles in an isosceles triangle are equal, we get this 45. Sum of three angles is 180, we get this as 90.